Azizlar, ayni damda biz Samarqand shahrida qurilishi boshlangan Xitoy bilan hamkorlikda chiqindilarni yoqib elektr energiya olish bo'yicha maxsus ixtisoslashtirilgan zavodda qurilishiga keldik. Ma'murdan tashqari yana boshqa davlatlardan delegatsiya ham kelgan.
Samarqand shahri
xavfsizlik talablariga ko'ra mana shunaqa kaskalargacha berishdi. Hozir endi sekin kiramiz ichkariga. Hop, demak, zavod kelmoqda va bu yerda bilasizlarmi, chang bo'lmasin deb mana shunaqa suv purkagichlar yopib qo'yishga qurilmoqda. Azizlar, bilamizki, mana bu yerda xavfsizlikka qasamyod bor ekan. Men hozirgi videoda kattalashtirib ko'rsataman. Qasamyodda xavfsizlikka bag'ishlangan qasamyod. Bu esa mana uzoqdan ko'rinyapti, poligon. Ana shu poligonning yonida qurilyapti. Mana asosiy binosi. Bu yilning oxiriga qadar qurib bitkaziladigan zavod.
So in terms of that, the fact that you're not sorting the organic waste, everything is regardless of the calorific value.
Har bitta zavodda, umuman har bir joyda zavodda mana bunaqa suv purkagichlari bor. Ya'ni bu yerda changni tarqalishini oldini oladi, namlikni saqlab turadi. Bu ham ekostandart. O'rtoqlar, zavod esa mana qurib bitirilgandan keyin mana shunday holatda bo'ladi. Bu esa mana zavodning tepadan tayyor holatda qurilgandan keyin ko'rinishi. Zavodni hozir ichiga kiryapmiz va devorlari qalinligi. Bularga menimcha birinchi dom quriladigan nima berish kerak. Ish avjida. Zavod ichiga kirdimizki, hamma yerda xavfsizlik masalasi. Mana bu yerdan xavfsizlik haqida o'ylash, har bir kishi favqulodda vaziyatlarga tayyor bo'lsin. Xavf-xatarlarni aniqlash va bartaraf etish muhimdir. Hamma yerda rasmlargacha yozilgan, Xitoy tilida yozilgan. Xavfsizlik hamma yerda. Bu yerda xavfsiz rivojlanish birinchi navbatda.
Storage. Simultaneously, an overhead grab crane continuously flips and dumps the waste to ensure thorough dehydration and fermentation. The leachate generated inside the waste bunker flows into a bottom leachate collection system, which meets superior standards to the 2010 European Industrial Emissions Directive. The fermented waste is grabbed by the overhead crane and transferred to the feeding hopper. Through a feeder machine, it is continuously and uniformly fed into the incinerator. The foul air in the waste bunker extracted by a ventilation system with an exhaust duct using a primary fan for extraction and directed to the incinerator for combustion. This creates a negative pressure in the bunker area, preventing the escape of foul odors. The incinerator grate moves back and forth along the direction to ensure full combustion of the waste. After incineration, the remaining slag, bottom ash, is a non-toxic and harmless waste that can be utilized for various purposes, such as construction materials or the manufacture of pavement bricks for paving roads, etc. The high-temperature flue gas produced in the incinerator enters a waste heat boiler and performs heat exchange with the boiler's heating surface, generating superheated steam. The superheated steam then via pipelines enter the steam turbine for rotation and drives a turbine to generate electricity through a generator, which is then transmitted to the power grid through a step-up station. When the flue gas enters the first flue, ammonia water is sprayed as a reducing agent for denatration treatment. The flue gas after heat exchange in the waste heat boiler will enter the desulfurization reaction tower, where lime slurry is sprayed for desulfurization. The flue gas then leaves the reaction tower and is sprayed with activated carbon and slaked lime to absorb heavy metals and residual.
This is maybe our research direction.